Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a contact list in Outlook 365. This feature is perfect for organizing groups of people you frequently email, like your team members, clients, or project collaborators. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you enter the URL, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Outlook web app login page. Go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft credentials to access your email account. Once your email inbox is loaded and you can see your messages on the screen, we can begin setting up your contact list. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find all your quick access tools and navigation options. Among these icons, you'll notice a people icon, which represents your contacts menu. This is where all your saved contacts and contact lists are stored. Click on this people icon to open your contacts menu and access all your contacts management features. After your contacts menu opens, you'll see several options at the top of the screen. Look for a button labeled New Contact, which should have a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down arrow to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, you'll see two choices. Select the option that says New Contact List. This will open a new window specifically designed for creating and organizing your contact list. In the New Contact List window, you'll first need to enter a name for your list in the provided field. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify the group easily, like marketing team, sales department, or Project Alpha members. This name will make it simple to find and use this list later when sending group emails. Below the name field, you'll see a description box. Here you can add additional details about the contact list if needed. This is optional but can be helpful for remembering the purpose of the list, especially if you manage multiple contact groups. Now comes the important part, adding your recipients. Click on the Add Recipients button and you'll be able to search through your existing contacts and select the people you want to include in this list. Take your time to carefully choose all the relevant contacts. You can add as many recipients as needed for your specific group. This ensures that whenever you need to send an email to this entire group, you can simply select this contact list instead of typing individual email addresses. Once you've finished configuring your list name, description, and selected all the recipients you want to include, click the Create button at the bottom of the window. Your new contact list is now set up and ready to use, and you can easily send group emails to everyone on this list whenever needed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.